Hello my beauties, welcome again back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be making this very fast treatment that will help to get rid of cellulite, spider veins, varicose veins and many others. So if today is the first time you are visiting this channel, you are so welcome. So do not forget to hit the red subscribe button so you get notified when I upload videos. So we're going to start by getting a clean bowl like this, plastic or non-plastic. So the first ingredient we're going to use is coffee. So I will just go ahead and measure in 2 tablespoons of coffee. So the next one we're going to add is sugar. You can make use of brown or white sugar. 2 tablespoons. So these two are packed with antioxidants, very good ingredients that will help to penetrate into those skin layers, nourish and exfoliate it to get rid of those cellulite, spider veins, and make your skin to be very smooth and supple. Next we have here is almond oil. You can go ahead and make use of any oil you have. You can make use of olive oil, coconut oil. So here is pure almond oil, and I'm going to measure in enough to form a thick paste. Addition of good oils like this, like almond oil, olive oil and the rest, they will help to keep your skin moisturized, get rid of those cellulites, spider veins, damaged skin. Okay, so this remedy is a very powerful treatment to get rid of any damaged skin of yours. It will help to nourish your skin, keep your skin younger. So this consistency is all you need. You don't need it runny, okay? So I'm going to keep it aside and show you how to apply it on the body parts, any body part of yours that you have cellulite, spider veins and the rest.